This is my homemade stopper I made. This way I can get all 4 holes drilled. Throw it in there, bump it up to that, drill my hole, flip it around. Bam, another hole. And I can get all 4 holes, just like an assembly line. So I drill 4 more holes. Alright, this is like working in an assembly line. I got a little stopper here, drill my hole, flip it over, drill it, flip it over again, drill it, flip it over again, drill it. Works great. Check this out. I figured out how to keep this, your bits from wearing out. Air. It does awesome. Boom. Check this out. That's the same bit, still sharp. I drilled all these. Same bit. But just keeping it cool with air. Peace out. What I got done so far. New safety rails to go along the sidewalk so you don't fall down in the ditch. First time ever. I don't think they look too shabby. So this is going to be all the straight cuts, and then I'll have some crazy bends, kind of like. So these are my straight cuts that I just made. It goes this way, and then that way, and a little bit that way. Now I just got to make my, take some, now I just got to bend a couple 45s, another 45, 90, and I don't know what that would be, a little under 45. I'll have to do that all out on site, but I wanted to try to get as much build as I could in the shop. But I think I'm going to go ahead and throw a coat of paint on this stuff. That way when I anchor these to the ground, they won't rust. That way I can continue building the rest of it. So I end up having to prime the railing. The paint says you can put it on bare metal as long as it's not clean. Well, this is clean metal. You can put it on rust. They recommend if the pipes are a little rusty, then you can paint, and I guess the rust acts like a primer. We're going to do caution yellow or John Deere yellow, I don't remember. Whatever we have here. John Deere yellow, that's what we're doing. We'll do that shortly. Got all the straight runs done. Peace out.